today's look I am using Carnival eyeshadow palette. Here I am using light peach pink color for transition shade and keep on blending. I am using small fluffy brush for blending the transition shade. And pick up the pink color, apply under the transition shade. Using small brush, blend the colors together. For higher intensity, pick up the darker shade of the pink color, apply under the transition shade. Using small blending brush, blend the colors together for higher intensity. After applying the colors, using the concealer, apply the concealer using the small flat brush. And next apply the sky blue color on the eyelid. Pick up the purple color and apply the outer corner of the eyelid. Next, using the small blending brush, blend all the colors together. Using light green eyeshadow. For highlighting the inner corner of the eye, apply the eye color. Next, using the eyeshadow, apply under the eyelid also. Apply the liner. For waterline, apply the kohl kajal. After applying the kohl kajal, using the angular brush, blend the color using the black eyeshadow. Blend it properly. After blending, finish it with the mascara and eyelashes. This is the outcome colorful eye makeup look. If you like this colorful eye makeup look, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching all.